Hello, welcome to our channel. If you've started learning CSS and you're looking to make your websites look awesome and work super smoothly, then today's video is just for you. We are talking about two most powerful tools, Bootstrap and SASS. But don't worry if you have never heard of them before. I'm here to break it all down in the easiest way possible. Let's kick things off with Bootstrap. So what is it? Bootstrap is a free and open source CSS framework that helps you build websites that look good and work well on all screen sizes like desktops, laptops, tablets, and phones. Now here's a fun fact. Bootstrap was originally created at Twitter back in 2011. At that time, Twitter had lots of different teams working on different parts of their site. What was the problem? Everyone was using their own style and code, which made things messy and inconsistent. So they built Bootstrap to fix that, to standardize the design and code across all projects. It gave teams a common set of rules, layouts, and components to work with. That way, every part of the site looked like it belonged together, clean, consistent, and professional. Eventually, they made it open source so that everyone could use it. And that's how Bootstrap became one of the most popular tools in web development. Okay, so why should you use Bootstrap? Well, let me give you two big reasons: speed and simplicity. If you are a beginner, you don't want to spend time reinventing the wheel, Bootstrap has ready-made layouts and components that you can just use, tweak, and make your own. Let's say you want a fancy navigation bar. Instead of writing all the CSS yourself, you can just use Bootstrap's pre-made version, saving you time and energy. Plus, the best part is that it's super easy to customize. Now, if you're thinking, but Bootstrap sites all look the same. Here's the thing. It's true that if you don't tweak it, your site might look like every other one built with this framework. But that's where customization comes in. By combining your own styles or using tools like SASS, you can make it truly your own. Okay, what is SASS? Now let's talk about SASS. If you are using plain CSS and feeling like it's getting a bit chaotic, SASS is the upgrade you didn't know you needed. SASS stands for Syntactically Awesome Style Sheets. It's a CSS preprocessor that makes writing style sheets cleaner, faster, and more organized. SASS gives you features like variables, nesting, mix-ins, and functions. This means you can write more dry code, making your style sheets a lot easier to maintain and scale. Plus, it compiles down to regular CSS. So no matter what, it will work on any browser. So why should you use SASS over regular CSS? SASS lets you nest your CSS rules inside each other. It is super useful because it makes your styles more organized and easier to read. Instead of writing all your styles in one big list, you can group them based on their HTML structure. Also, mix-ins and functions. These let you reuse pieces of CSS code without copy and pasting. Think of them like reusable components, but for your styles. So when to use Bootstrap and when to use SASS? So here's the deal. Bootstrap and SASS aren't exactly competitors. They actually work great together. Here's when you should use each one. So use Bootstrap when you need to quickly create a responsive layout or need a solid foundation with pre-built components. It's especially useful for rapid prototyping or small projects where you want to get things up and running fast. And when to use SASS? You use SASS when you want more control over styling, want to write more efficient code, or if your project is getting complex and you need a scalable way to manage your styles. It's especially useful when working on larger, long-term projects where maintainability is the key. So here's the magic. Combine Bootstrap and SASS together. Bootstrap gives you the framework. SASS lets you customize it to your heart's content. Use SASS variables to tweak Bootstrap's default settings and add your own custom styles on top of that. So there you have it. Bootstrap and SASS, two tools that when used together can seriously boost your web dev game. Now here's where it gets even more beginner friendly with generative AI. If you're just starting to use Bootstrap or write CSS, tools powered by Gen AI can help you write cleaner code and suggest better ways to structure your styles. You have got smart tools that can help you write cleaner code, debug styles, and even generate layouts faster than ever before. It's like having a designer and a front-end assistant built right into your workflow. That's why we have created two powerful courses to help you grow. First, our front-end development course, which teaches you how to build beautiful, responsive websites from scratch using tools like Bootstrap and SASS, step by step, no fluff. And if you are ready to level up even further, our generative AI course shows you how to use AI to speed up your workflow, write smarter code, and bring your ideas to life faster than ever. To know more, please register for our webinar. Link is in the description. Thank you.